Hi friends, today I'll be discussing about the common diseases what we see in the Department of Pulmonology, that is what we deal is about lungs. There are many diseases in the lungs starting from airways, parenchyma and the pleura. Okay, so diseases involving the airways are like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, bronchial asthma and bronchiectasis. Diseases involving the parenchyma, that is the lung tissue, is like pneumonia, interstitial lung diseases, and the diseases involving the pleura are like pleural effusion, pneumothorax. There is the symptoms for all these different diseases are different, and the treatment options are all different from all the diseases. Today I'll be just briefly discussing about bronchiectasis. It is one of the diseases of the airways, that is our lung tubes, where the lung tubes are permanently dilated. Lung tubes are usually very small in size, but when they become dilated, patient will not be able to breathe properly, will not be able to exhale properly. It's a problem of exhalation. So what happens due to dilatation of the tube, there is accumulation of the sputum within the lungs, causing chronic cough to the patient, difficulty in breathing. Usually the main problem is it is oftenly misdiagnosed as bronchial asthma. Many of the patients, they will be diagnosed as bronchial asthma and they will be thinking and treating themselves as I have asthma. But when we actually go and in the detailed history and workup of the patient, we find out that they are having bronchiectasis. The symptoms are actually similar to asthma, that patient has difficulty in breathing, cough and sputum production. But diagnosing bronchiectasis is by pulmonary function test and by HRCT of the chest, where we ask patient to undergo high resolution computed tomography of the chest, which shows us that the airways are very much dilated and there is accumulation of the sputum over there. The treatment option available for bronchiectasis is we give inhalational therapy, inhaled corticosteroids, and the main important thing is physiotherapy. We give chest physiotherapy. We have a very good department of physiotherapy in our hospital. A good physiotherapy can prevent any exacerbation of the bronchiectasis and actually can treat the bronchiectasis. Medical management, as I was saying, the inhalation therapy is the main medical management we give, and we also give mucolytics, because as I said, the main problem is in bronchiectasis is there is a accumulation of the sputum in the lungs. So we don't want that to happen. So what we give is we give treatment to lyse this mucus, so that patient can easily expectorate the sputum. Means sputum should come out. If sputum remains in the lungs, it get infected and cause all the problems. So our aim is to prevent any accumulation of the sputum in the lungs. So physiotherapy, mucolytic therapy and inhalational therapy. So if you are suffering from any lung related problems like cough which is lasting for maybe more than 1 week, or having difficulty in breathing, any chest pain or any sputum or hemoptysis, that is blood in the sputum, I think you should consult a pulmonologist in Uday Omni. We provide all the services 24/7. We have bronchoscopy, we have a medical ICU where intensivist is there 24/7. So any problem related to lung, you can come to Uday Omni and we will make sure that you get appropriate diagnosis and proper cure.